Hey guys, Richard here. Hey, are you wondering if your eTrike is going to fit on the Pro HD 3670 rack? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to take those measurements to make that determination. But before we do, there's a couple of things I need to disclose. One, the rack is 36 wide by 70 long. This happens to be a prototype rack that we're using for this video. And when we built this, we only built it to 65 inches. But the one that shows up at your house, if you place an order, will be 70 inches long. Another thing you need to be aware of, if you're looking on the manufacturer's website trying to get the dimensions of your trike, just know that sometimes those dimensions aren't exactly correct. Sometimes they'll just enter in a wrong number and it skews everything, right? So it's best that you take an actual measurement of the trike if you already have it. And if you don't, well, maybe ask a friend or just hope for the best. And what I'm referring to is sometimes manufacturers will give you the total width of a trike to include anything that kind of hangs over the edge, like these fenders right here. But you can see that's not going to interfere with the ramp or with the rack. So what we only want the dimensions from the outside of the tire over here to this outside of the tire. And we've already measured this one, and it would look something like this. But we know this one is right at about, get it over there. It helps if you have a friend. This one's at like 31.5 inches. So we know it would fit on a 36-inch wide rack. Now, when it comes to measuring the length, there's also a couple things to consider. One, if you have your tire pulled, the front tire pulled straight onto the rack, the trike is going to be a little bit longer than if you rotated the tire sideways. And we'll show you that in just a moment. Number two, the tire can't come all the way up to the edge of the rack, right? Because we have this fence that goes around it. So what you want to do when you get ready to take your measurements is you'll want to measure 4 inches from the ground, measure up on your tire about 4 inches. And about 4 inches is where it's going to strike right here. So right about here is where we want to take our measurement going towards the rear of the trike. Now, when you get back here to the rear of the trike, what you're looking for is the center axle. And as you can see on this particular trike, it's only about 60 inches. Okay, so we know it's going to work. You have about 68 inches to work with, because on a 70-inch rack, we don't want the rear tire being right there on the edge where it's ready to fall off. We want to give you a couple of inches so that you have a chance to secure the trike and there's no chance of it slipping off the back. So from 4 inches up on that front tire towards the rear, you want to make sure you're at 68 inches or less.